जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हाउ आर यू? सब लोग कैसे हैं? अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हाउ आर यू?
वालेकुम सलाम मैम, ठीक, आप सुनाए?
वालेकुम सलाम मैम। वालेकुम सलाम मैम।
एग्जाम के हवाले से कोई न्यू एंड फ्रेश? जी क्लास, let's start our today's lecture. We are going to start chapter number 13, that is building careers and writing resumes. Building careers and writing resumes. Finding the ideal opportunity in today's job market, identifying, and as you know that in today's time, job is very necessary for every person in order to deal the social activities, the social relationships. So to get a good job, we need a good resume. Finding the ideal opportunity in today's job market, identifying and landing a job can be a long and difficult process. Fortunately, the skills you are developing in this course will give you a competitive advantage. This section offers a general job search strategy with advice that applies to just about any career path you might want to pursue. As you craft your personal strategy, keep these three guidelines in mind. अपने mind में चंद guidelines रखें. Number one is get organized. Your job search could last many months and involve multiple contacts with dozens of companies. You need to keep all the details straight to ensure that you don't miss opportunities or make mistakes such as losing someone's email address or forgetting an appointment. यानी अपने आप को इतना ऑर्गेनाइज करें, इतना अपने आप को कंप्लीट करें कि आप किसी का ईमेल एड्रेस को लॉस ना करें, या अगर कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको मिल रही है उसको आप वेस्ट ना करें. स्टार्ट नाउ एंड स्टिक टू इट, यानी किसी भी चीज को स्टार्ट करें एंड नाउ स्टिक टू इट और इस पर कायम रहें. Even if you are a year or more away from graduation, now is not too early to get started with some of the essential research and planning tasks. If you wait until the last minute, you will miss opportunities and won't be as prepared as other candidates. ठीक है, यानी अपने आप को हमेशा हर काम के लिए तैयार रखें. ये ना हो कि अगर आपकी ढील की वजह से, आपकी लेजीनेस की वजह से आप एक टाइम पे मिस कर जाते हैं कोई चीज, तो वो दूसरा कैंडिडेट जो है वो उसको अवेल कर लेता है. Look for stepping stone opportunities, यानी stone opportunities के लिए आप चीजों को नोट डाउन करें. Look for stepping stone opportunities, particularly in today's tough job market. You might not find the opportunity you are looking for right away. You might need to take a job that doesn't meet your expectations while you're looking for right away. You might need to look for stepping stone opportunities, particularly in today's tough job market. You might not find the opportunity you are looking for right away. You might need to take a job that doesn't meet your expectations while you keep looking to get on the right track. but view every job as an opportunity to learn workplace skills, observe effective and ineffective business practices, and fine tune your sense of how you would like to spend your career. Okay? Then writing the story of you. Okay, उसके बाद आप अपनी story को लिखें. Whether you are about to begin your career or are already well into it, writing or updating your resume is a great opportunity to step back and think about where you have been and where you would like to go. Do you like the path you are on, or is it time for a change? Are you focused on a particular field, or do you need some time to explore? ठीक है, आपने अपने अपने लिए एक स्टोरी तैयार करनी है कि क्या आपको अभी एक्सपेंड करने के लिए, अभी आपको सक्सेस करने के लिए, सक्सीड करने के लिए आपको टाइम रिक्वायर है, अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए टाइम रिक्वायर है. इस टाइप के आपने अपने लिए एक डिजाइन बनाना है, एक स्टोरी बनानी है. You might find it helpful to think about the story of you, the things you are passionate about, your skills, your ability to help an organization reach its goal, the path you have been on so far, and the path you want to follow in the future. Think in terms of an image or theme you would like to project. Are you academically gifted, an effective leader, a well-rounded professional with wide-ranging talents, a creative problem solver, a technical guru? Writing your story is a valuable planning exercise that helps you think about where you want to go and how to present yourself to target employers. Next is learning to think like an employer. एक employer की तरह सोचना शुरू करें. When you know when you know your side of the hiring person equation a little better, switch sides and look at it from an employer's perspective. To begin with, recognize that companies take risks with every hiring decision. The risk that the person hired won't meet expectations, and the risk that a better candidate has slipped through their fingers. Many companies judge the success of their recruiting efforts by quality of hire, a measure of how closely new employees meet the company's needs. Okay? यानी लर्निंग टू थिंक लाइक एन एम्प्लॉयर. अपने आप को एक एम्प्लॉयर समझ के आप ये अपने आप को इस तरह से तैयार करें कि जैसे आप किसी को रिक्रूट करने जा रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में है, एक इंस्टीट्यूट में है, अगर जैसे से आप अगर यूनिवर्सिटी में ही हैं, तो आप डिफरेंट टीचर्स को अगर आप ऑप्ट करने जा रहे हैं, रिक्रूट करने जा रहे हैं, तो आप बहुत सारी चीजें उनमें नोट करेंगे. उनका एक्सपीरियंस, उनकी क्वालिफिकेशन, उनका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल, बहुत सारी चीजें, उनकी हार्ड वर्किंग स्किल्स जो हैं या एक्स्ट्रा स्किल्स जो हैं, ये सारी चीजें आप माइंड में रखेंगे तो आप किसी भी पर्सन को आप रिक्रूट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, उनका जो प्रीवियस जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, प्रीवियस जो एकेडमिक रैकेट रहा है, उन सारी चीजों को आप मद्देनजर रखते हुए ही रिक्रूट करते हैं. तो इसी तरह अपने आप को एक एम्प्लॉयर समझे, नॉट एन एम्प्लॉय. अगर आप अपने आप को एम्प्लॉयर समझेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आप वो चीजें जो आप दूसरों के अंदर चाहेंगे वो आप अपने अंदर क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. Of course, your perceived ability to perform the job is an essential part of your potential quality as a new hire. However, hiring managers consider more than just your ability to handle the job. They want to know if you will be reliable and motivated. If you are somebody who gets it when it comes to being a professional in today's workplace, a great way to get inside the heads of corporate recruiters is to listen in on their professional conversations by reading periodicals such as Workforce Management, researching industries and companies of interest. अपनी इंटरेस्ट की जो इंडस्ट्रीज और कंपनीज हैं उनके बारे में रिसर्च करनी. लर्निंग मोर अबाउट प्रोफेशन, इंडस्ट्रीज एंड individual companies is a vital step in your job search. It also impresses employers, particularly when you go beyond the physically available sources such as a company's own website. Detailed research, including talking to our customers, is so rare it will almost guarantee you get rehired. Explain the recruiting manager at Elton Laboratories. के बाद आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे आइएगा सिलेक्टेड जॉब सर्च वेबसाइट. डिफरेंट वेबसाइट्स होती हैं जो जहाँ पे हम अपनी जॉब को सर्च कर सकते हैं. वेबसाइट में ये बहुत अच्छा कॉलम आपके लिए दिया गया है. आप इन तमाम वेबसाइट को सर्च करें, मे बी आपसे रेलेवेंट जो जॉब है वो आपका वेट कर रही हो. इसमें कुछ जॉब वेबसाइट्स हैं: रेले गाइड, ट्वीट, myjobs.com, collegerecruiter.com, monster college, career builders, jobster, USA jobs, IMG Diversity, Dice.com, NetCamps, internshipprograms.com, simply hired indeed. ठीक है, उसके बाद हम देखते हैं ट्रांसलेटिंग योर जनरल पोटेंशियल इनटू स्पेसिफिक सॉल्यूशन। एक जनरल जो पोटेंशियल है उसको स्पेसिफिक सॉल्यूशन में हम ट्रांसलेट किस तरह से कर सकते हैं। An important aspect of employers' quality of hire challenge is trying to determine how well a candidate's attributes and experience will translate into the demands of a specific position. As a job candidate, customizing your resume to each job opening is an important step in showing employers that you will be a good gift. As you can see from the sample resume, customizing your resume is not difficult if you have done your research from your initial contact all the way through the interviewing process. In fact, you will have opportunities to impress recruiters by explaining how your general potential translates to the specific needs of the position. Taking the initiative and to find opportunities, यानी opportunities को find out करने के लिए initiative यानी आप एक step लें. When it comes to finding the right opportunities for you, the easiest ways are not always the most productive ways. The major job boards such as Monster and classified services such as Craigslist might have thousands of openings, but thousands of job seekers are looking at and applying for this same opening. ठीक है, यानी same opening के लिए एक ही job के लिए बहुत सारे candidates होते हैं जो apply करते हैं. To maximize your chances, take the initiative and go find opportunities. सबसे पहले आप step लें और opportunities को find out करने की कोशिश करें. Identify the companies you want to work for and focus your efforts on them. Get in touch with their human resources departments. Describe what you can offer the company and ask to be considered if any opportunities come up. Reach out to company representatives on social networks. Your message might appear right when a company is busy looking for someone but hasn't yet advertised the opening to the outside world. Meaning sometimes ऐसे होता है कि उन्होंने अभी एडवर्टाइजमेंट नहीं किया होता है लेकिन आपको वो जॉब मिल जाती है. इसीलिए अपना एक इनिशिएटिव स्टेप लें. Building your network. Networking is the इसको अंडरलाइन कर लें ऑब्जेक्टिव पर्पस के लिए. Networking is the process of making informal connection with mutually networking is the process of making informal connections with mutually beneficial business contacts. Networking takes place wherever and whenever people talk. At industry functions, at social gatherings, at preliminary reunions, and all over the internet, from LinkedIn and Twitter, from LinkedIn and Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus. In addition to making connections through social media tools, you might get yourself noticed by company recruiters. बहुत सारी जो कंपनी के रिक्रूटर्स हैं उनके जरिए से आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाती है कंपनी की तरफ से कि आप उनको अगर आप उनके साथ कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं तो आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाती है कि आप एक किसी भी सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से लिंक हो सकते हैं, आप जॉब हासिल कर सकते हैं. Networking is more essential than ever because the vast majority of job openings are never advertised to the general public. ठीक है, बेसिकली अब नेटवर्किंग इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि मेजॉरिटी ऑफ जॉब जो है वो एडवर्टाइज नहीं की जाती, उसके लिए वो आपको इन टच होने से ही पता चलता है. To avoid the time and expense of sifting through thousands of applications and the risk of hiring complete strangers, most companies prefer to ask their employees for recommendations first. The more people who know you, the better chance you have of being recommended for one of these hidden job opportunities, job openings. Start building your network now before you need it. Your classmates could end up being some of your most valuable contacts, if not right away, then possibly later in your career. Then branch out by identifying people with similar interests in your target professions, industries, and companies. Read news sites, blogs, and other online sources. Follow industry leaders on Twitter. You can also follow individual executives at your target companies to learn about their interests and concerns. Be on the lookout for career-oriented meetups in which people who have connected on Twitter get together for in-person networking events. Connect with people on LinkedIn and Facebook. Any Facebook or start building your network now before you need it. Your classmates could end up being some of your most valuable contacts, if not right away, then possibly later in your career. Then branch out by identifying people with similar interests in your target professions, industries, and companies. Read news sites, blogs, and other online sources. Follow industry leaders on Twitter. You can also follow individual executives at your target companies to learn about their interests and concerns. Be on the lookout for career-oriented meetups in which people who have connected on Twitter get together for in-person networking events. Connect with people on LinkedIn and Facebook, particularly in groups dedicated to particular career interests, depending on the system and the settings on individual users' accounts. You may be able to introduce yourself via public or private messages. यानी public और private messages के जरिए से भी आप इंट्रोड्यूस करवा सकते हैं खुद. Participate in student business organization, especially those with ties to professional organization. Visit trade shows to learn about various industries and rub shoulders with people who work in those industries. Don't overlook volunteering. You not only meet people but also demonstrate your ability to solve problems, manage projects, and lead others. You can do some good while creating a network for yourself. Remember that networking is about people helping each other. ये networking क्या है? About helping each other. यानी networking के जरिए definitely जिस तरह से आप Facebook पे हैं, आप LinkedIn पे हैं, आप Twitter पे हैं, तो different social media के through आप एक दूसरे के साथ connect होते हैं और एक दूसरे की help करते हैं. Seeking career counseling. Your college career center probably offers a wide variety of services, including individual counseling, job fairs, on-campus interviews, and job listings. Counselors can advise on career planning and provide workshops on job search techniques, resume preparation, job readiness training, interview techniques, self-marketing, and more. You can also find career planning advice online. Many of the websites listed in the table offer articles and online tests to help you choose a career path. Okay, बहुत सारे टेस्ट आपको मिलते हैं जिसके जरिए से आप अपने करियर को बना सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज अवॉइडिंग mistakes. बहुत सारी mistakes हैं उनको avoid करें. While you are making all these positive moves to show employers you will be a quality hire, take care to avoid the simple blunders that can torpedo a job search, such as not catching mistakes in your resume, misspelling the name of a manager you are writing to, showing up late for an interview, tweeting something unprofessional, फेलिंग टू कंप्लीट एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म्स करेक्टली. ठीक है, इस तरह की जो अगर मिस्टेक्स हैं यानी आप स्पेलिंग की मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं, आप फॉर्म जो है वो लेजीली कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, इग्नोर कर रहे हैं उसको, यानी आप सीरियस एटीट्यूड नहीं है आपका इस फॉर्म फिलिंग में या दूसरे लोगों से रब्ता करने में. Failing to complete application forms likely asking for information that you can easily find yourself on a company's website, or making any other error that could flag you as someone who is careless or disrespectful. Assume that every employer will conduct an online search on you. Busy recruiters will seize on these errors as a way to narrow the list of candidates they need to spend time on. So don't give them a reason to toss out your resume. Okay? उसके बाद आ जाता है प्लानिंग योर रिज्यूम. अपने रिज्यूम को प्लान करें. प्लानिंग योर रिज्यूम यानी रिज्यूम की प्लानिंग जो है वो दैट इज वेरी नेसेसरी. प्लानिंग योर रिज्यूम. ठीक है, अब सबसे पहले जो भी हम काम करते हैं उसके लिए सबसे पहले प्लानिंग जरूरी होती है. अगर हम किसी चीज की प्लानिंग ना करें तो डेफिनेटली हम उसके अच्छे रिजल्ट तक नहीं पहुंच सकते. ठीक है, good results follow good planning. Although you will create many messages during your career search, your resume will be the most important document in this process. You'll be able to use it directly in many instances, adapted to a variety of uses such an e-portfolio or social media resume, and reuse pieces of it in social networking profiles and online application forms. Even if you apply to a company that doesn't want to see resumes from applicants, the process of developing your resume will prepare you for interviewing and pre-employment testing. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं the process of developing your resume will prepare you for interview. यानी अपने आप को, अगर आप अपने रिज्यूम को प्लान कर रहे हैं, खुद प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, तो डेफिनेटली आप इंटरव्यू में भी उसको डिफाइन कर लेंगे. मीन्स अगर आप अपने हाथ से चीज़ों को हैंडल करेंगे, अपना बायोडाटा लिखेंगे, अपने एकेडमिक करियर को लिखेंगे, फर्स्ट क्लास आपकी कौन सी थी, सेकंड कौन सी, यानी ये सारी जो मतलब आप लिखेंगे कि अब आपके एकेडमिक करियर में कौन कौन सी अचीवमेंट हुई हैं, कौन क्या क्या चीज़ें हुई हैं, ये तो ये सारी एक प्लानिंग है. इस प्लानिंग के जरिए से आप अपने इंटरव्यू को कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं. Before you dive into your resume, be aware that you will find a wide range of opinions about resumes regarding everything from appropriate length, content, design, distribution, methods, and acceptable degrees of creativity to whether it even makes sense to write a traditional resume in this age of online application. For example, you may encounter a company such as Union Secure Ventures, which recently asked applicants to send all the links that make up their online presence rather than submit a resume. You may run across examples of effective resumes that were produced as infographics, interactive videos, simulated search engine results, puzzles, games, graphic novels. Puzzles, game, graphic novels, you name it, somebody has probably tried it. ठीक है, यानी इस सारे पैराग्राफ में हम देखते हैं कि हमने सबसे पहले रिज्यूम को लिखने से पहले हमें प्लानिंग करनी. आफ्टर दैट द सेकंड स्टेप इज एनालाइजिंग योर पर्पस एंड ऑडियंस. यानी प्लानिंग करते हुए हमारा पहला स्टेप जो है वो एनालाइजिंग योर पर्पस एंड ऑडियंस. रिज्यूम का पहला स्टेप प्लानिंग था. ठीक है, अब प्लानिंग के अंदर फर्दर स्टेप्स हैं. नंबर 1 इज एनालाइजिंग योर पर्पस एंड ऑडियंस. अपने पर्पस और ऑडियंस को एनालाइज करें. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं प्लानिंग एंड इफेक्टिव रिज्यूम स्टार्ट्स विद अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट्स ट्रू फंक्शन एज अ ब्रीफ persuasive business message intended to stimulate an employer's interest in meeting you and learning more about you. In other words, the purpose of a resume is not to get you a job, but rather to get you an interview. Okay, resume का basic purpose क्या है कि वो आपको resume वो आपको जॉब नहीं देती, लेकिन वो आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए एक अच्छा रिज्यूम जो है वो आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए रेडी कर देता है. As you conduct your research on various professions, industries, companies, and individual managers, you will have a better perspective on your target readers and their information needs. Learn as much as you can about the individuals who may be reading your resume. For example, so you can learn more about them online even if you have never met them. Any bit of information can help you craft a more effective message. By the way, if employers ask to see your CV, they are referring to your curriculum vitae, the term used instead of resume. इसको भी ऑब्जेक्टिव में अंडरलाइन कर लें कि समटाइम आपको curriculum vitae के नाम से आपको रिज्यूम देने का कहा जाता है, तो ये ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है. CV को ही हम curriculum vitae कह देते हैं. In academic professions and in many countries outside the United States, resumes and CVs are essentially the same, although CVs can be much more detailed and include professional information that is not included in a resume. यानी CV के अंदर almost यानी basically तो ये चीजें same है, लेकिन almost CVs के अंदर जो information है कुछ ज़्यादा detail में होती है resume के नज़दीक. नेक्स्ट है जी गैदरिंग पर्टिनेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन. इसके बाद हम देखते हैं कि हमें कुछ पर्टिनेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो गैदर करनी है. इफ यू हैवंट बीन बिल्डिंग एन एम्प्लॉयमेंट पोर्टफोलियो thus far, you may need to do some research on yourself at this point. Gather all the pertinent personal history you can think of, including all the specific dates, duties, and accomplishments from any previous job you have had. Compile all your educational accomplishments, including formal degrees, training certificates, professional and technical certifications, academic awards, and scholarships. Also gather information about school or volunteer activities that might be relevant to your job search, including offices you have held in any club or professional organization, presentations given, and online or print publications. You probably won't use every piece of information you come up with, but you will want to have it at your fingertips before you begin composing your resume. ठीक है, अब different type of information जो है वो आप इसमें add कर सकते हैं. Selecting the best medium, उसके बाद आ जाता है हमारे पास ऑप्शन selecting the best medium. हम best medium को ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं. You should expect to produce your resume in several media and formats. Producing your resume, organizing your resume around your strength, अपने strength के around अपनी resume को organize करें. Although there are a number of ways to organize a resume, most are some variations of chronological, functional, or a combination of the two. The right choice depends on your background and your goal. The chronological resume. Okay. अब different type of resume है, chronological resume है या functional resume है या इन दोनों का एक mixture है. Three types of resume. अभी हम देखते हैं कि chronological resume क्या है. In chronological resume, the work experience section dominates and is placed immediately after your contact information. ठीक है. Chronological resume में जो आपका academic career वाला portion है वो ज़्यादा dominate कर रहा है. सबसे पहले आपकी पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन दी जाती है और उसके बाद फौरी तौर पर आपका एकेडमिक करियर दिया जाता है. The chronological approach is the most common way to organize a resume, and many employers prefer this format because it presents your professional history in a clear, easy to follow arrangement. If you are just graduating from college and have limited professional experience, you can vary this chronological approach by putting your educational qualifications before your experience. Develop your work experience section by listing your jobs in reverse chronological order, beginning with the most recent one and giving more space to the most recent positions. उसके बाद आ जाते हैं द फंक्शनल रिज्यूम. ठीक है. बेसिक इसका यही है कि जो क्रोनोलॉजिकल रिज्यूम है इसमें पहले आपकी बायोडाटा होता है, यानी आपकी पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन, और उसके बाद आपका एकेडमिक करियर होता है. फंक्शनल रिज्यूम में क्या होता है? फंक्शनल रिज्यूम समटाइम्स कॉल्ड अ स्किल रिज्यूम. इसको भी ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए अंडरलाइन कर लें कि फंक्शनल रिज्यूम को हम स्किल रिज्यूम भी कहते हैं. एम्फसाइजेस योर स्किल्स एंड कैपेबिलिटीज, identifying employers and academic experience in subordinate sections. This arrangement stresses individual areas of competence rather than job history. The functional approach has key benefits without having to read through job descriptions. Employers can get an idea of what you can do for them. You can emphasize earlier job experience to the skills you gained in those positions, and you can de-emphasize any lengthy unemployment or lack of career progress. However, you should be aware that because the functional resume can obscure your work history, many employment professionals are suspicious of it. Moreover, it lacks the evidence of job experience that supports your skills claim. If you don't believe the chronological format will work for you, consider the combination resume instead. ठीक है. अगर आप functional resume को अच्छा नहीं समझ रहे तो इसकी बजाय आप combination resume को आप यूज कर सकते हैं. अब combination resume इसमें क्या है? Combination matches the skills focus of the functional format with the job history focuses of the chronological format. ठीक है. इसमें functional भी आ जाता है, इसमें chronological भी आ जाता है, यानी इन दोनों का मिक्सचर जो है वो combination resume है. The chief advantage of this format is that it allows you to highlight your capabilities. बेहतरीन इसका हाल क्या है कि ये आपको आपकी कैपेबिलिटीज को इनहेंस करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. ये क्लास जैसे ही ये खत्म हो जाए, इस लिंक का टाइम खत्म हो जाए, उसके साथ ही आप इसी लिंक को नेक्स्ट मीटिंग के लिए दोबारा ज्वाइन कर लें. जी, एड्रेसिंग एरियाज ऑफ कंसर्न, आप अपने कंसर्न एरियाज को कर सकते हैं, एड्रेस कर सकते हैं. Frequent job changes, addressing areas of concern. Many people have gaps in their careers or the issues that could be a concern for employers. There are some common issues and suggestions for handling them in a resume. तो sometimes आपके करियर में, आपके एक्सपीरियंस में एक गैप आ जाता है जिसको आप फुलफिल करना चाहते हैं.